Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang weekly readings for you, April 6 to 12, 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. And also, kung gusto niyo private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Capricorn, April 6 to 12, what is the energy for you? Community, ayan. So, yung mas magiging busy ka connecting with other people, mapa-online man yan or offline, sa neighborhood ninyo, you will go out, magiging abala, no? Oo. Magiging busy ka and magiging present ka, participant, kumbaga, no? Sa mga community activities or online activities. You will connect more sa community, no? Or sa groups, you may be involving yourself sa isang grupo, like example, running group, car group, ano namang group, online, ganyan. Oh, communication. Communication sa community. So, pwedeng meron kang important na gustong ipahiwatig or sabihin sa community. Some of you, pwedeng kayo ay leader sa inyong community or sa workplace, or you have a certain following wherein you will send a message sa kanila about your ideas. You have the Hermit, so retreat, meron ditong, Emperor. Maaring meron sa inyo na mas magiging isolated, no? Isolated because of yung inyong, ano ba to? Hindi ko masabi. Ang inyong leadership role, para bang you want to focus on being a very committed leader. So parang feeling mo wala ka nang makausap na tumutulong sa iyo. It's because ang focus mo is pagtulong sa iba. You get my point? Na for example, yung mga leaders, most of the time, nag-iisip yan on their own. Kasi gusto na yung mga decision nila ay sa kanilang lang talaga nang galing. Although, may mga times na nakikinig sila sa iba, sa mga ideas ng iba. But at the end of the day, siya yung magde-decide, no? So, some of you may ganon. Leadership na decision, pwedeng sa community nyo or sa family. Yeah, with the Ten of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. Pwede rin meron ditong change ng place, workplace, or house para sa inyo. You want to explore other places. May Three of Swords and the Six of Cups. Something related to your past, no? So, pwedeng merong person from the past that will try to come back sa buhay mo, but you feel na wala nang chance. Oo. Pwedeng this is you ending that situation and focusing on yourself, focusing on your productivity, focusing on your goals. With the Ace of Swords and Empress, meron kang creative na ideas na mas bibigyan mo ng attention this week. Pwede ring merong disappointment sa isang tao na nagbigay sa'yo ng pangako na hindi niya nagawa. So, you might be disappointed with this person. Guaranteed success. Diba? Ano man tong ipupursue mo, as long as you are committed to that, meron dyang guaranteed success. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. So, ayan, maaring merong mga taong will try to bring you down, no? Kaya nga may Three of Swords dito, may disappointments. But wag mong hayaan na ikaw ay maapektuhan nito na pati yung productivity mo magugulo, no? Time to act, no? Kung ano man itong mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, take action. Huwag mo nang hintayin yung go signal ng ibang tao kasi ikaw yung may control over your destiny, over your plans, your goals. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.